My name is Francis Koulibaly. Today is September 13th, 2025, and I'll be talking about the core concepts in chemistry. So first, the pioneers in chemistry and nursing. Dr. Marie Curie was the first scientist to receive 2 Nobel Peace Prizes in both physics in 1903 and chemistry in 1911. She discovered the elements polonium and radium. She pioneered research in radioactivity, which is a term she coined. Her work laid out the foundation for modern atomic physics and chemistry. The next woman is Florence Nightingale. During the Crimean War from 1853 to 1856, she improved sanitation in army hospitals, which led to the death rate dropping from 42% to 2%. She emphasized hand washing, fresh air, clean water, proper sewage, and nutritious food, and she advocated for sanitation in hospitals, army barracks, and urban poor areas. The next topic is the matter hierarchy. We start at subatomic particles, which consist of protons, which have a positive charge, electrons, which have a negative charge, and neutrons, which have a neutral charge. These make up atoms, which is the basic building block of all elements. Atoms make up elements, fundamental substance made of only one type of atom. Examples of elements are hydrogen and oxygen. And then finally, in the matter hierarchy, we have matter. Elements like carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen make up matter, physical substance in general, everything around you. The third topic is chemistry and nursing. The relationship between chemistry and healing practices dates back to ancient civilizations. In Africa, traditional healers understood plant properties and medicinal compounds long before Western scientific classification. In obstetric nursing, it requires the understanding of hormonal chemistry and maternal-fetal metabolic exchange. The fourth topic is isotopes. Isotopes are elements with the same number of protons and electrons, but different numbers of neutrons. Isotope notation is a standard way to write the symbol for an atom, showing its chemical symbol, mass number, protons and neutrons, and atomic number. The first example is lithium and lithium-8. Lithium-8 has 3 protons, 3 electrons, and 5 neutrons. Lithium-8 is an unstable radioactive isotope of lithium. The second example is silicon and silicon-28. It has 14 protons, 14 electrons, and 14 neutrons. Silicon-28 is the most abundant and stable isotope of silicon. Silicon-28 is the most abundant and stable isotope of silicon, makes up about 92.2% of naturally occurring silicon. The third and final example is carbon and carbon-14. It has 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 8 neutrons. Carbon-14 is a naturally occurring radioactive isotope of carbon. The fifth topic is the periodic table. The periodic table is labeled with non-metals, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, intertransition metals, metalloids, noble gases, and halogens. This is an example of an element labeled. This is oxygen. The atomic weight is in the top right corner, the atomic number is in the top left corner, the symbol is in the center, and the name is in the bottom. Okay, examples of elements in nursing. For our alkali metal, an example is potassium. It controls cardiac electric activity and muscle function, and imbalances of this can be fatal. Alkaline earth metals, magnesium, essential for bone health, muscle contraction, blood clotting, enzyme function, and nerve signaling. Transition metal, iron, essential component of hemoglobin, myoglobin, and cytochromes, enabling oxygen transport throughout the body. An example of a non-metal is iodine, essential component of thyroid hormones, regulates metabolic rate and